How to integrate if you're having a business at different locations with multiple shared service centers and outsourcing contracts? It sounds complicated, but with a solution provided by Global Business Service (GBS), you worry no more as GBS is to help the international business smoothly navigate complex business issues. When the Industrial Revolution 4.0 arrived, product customization and connection with the different business processes are concerned. Thus, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) is introduced to fulfill the requirement above in GBS and to boost the effectiveness of ERP system. Innovation of emerging technologies is needed. Today, Fauzan, Maishara, Huyen, Shahira, and Shashri together will discuss how to uplift the Enterprise Resource Planning ERP system with innovative emerging technologies in Infineon Technologies. Infineon Technologies is one of the world's leading semiconductor and system solutions companies. Infineon sets the global mega trend that believe will shape the world in the future regarding digital transformation. Thus, Infineon Penang provides global finance service with ERP system to serve the stakeholders. However, Infineon Penang met challenges in uplifting ERP system to the new height, especially merging various ERP systems into one. Infineon Penang also would like to find out better ways to convince the stakeholder in leveraging the best approaches of using ERP system. So, in our study, we have three objectives to achieve. First is to determine the available emerging technologies could be adopted and beneficial in the global business service. Second is to discuss the costs and benefits for the adoption, including potential challenges it may face. Third is to recommend the emerging technologies that Infineon Technologies could apply to improve their ERP system and the best approach to convince stakeholders to use the ERP system. Thus, in this video, we are focusing on finding and recommendation.
Through our findings, we have studied three available emerging technologies that could be used and beneficial in GBS. One of them are blockchain. Blockchain acts as a digital database that saves data, which the data was saved in blocks that create a chain. Thus, it makes information sharing with the business transparent, as it is impossible to modify and delete anything from the system. Blockchain has been one of the top emerging technologies, where many big companies have applied the technology as it can survive any cyber attack because of its decentralized network. Blockchain could help to reduce costs, as the system can help the business to do transactions directly without any third party involved. Besides that, since a blockchain is a decentralized system, it avoids duplication in data recording, which helps in reducing error. Furthermore, blockchain also can lessen the impact of unpredictable business environment because of the immutable ledger of records that can track the actions and performance of the contract partner. Unfortunately, as the cost to implement blockchain is high, companies may face problems in funding the technologies. This is because a blockchain system must be purchased and expert and skillful engineer must be hired. Moreover, as the systems are very complex, it makes it hard for an average person to understand how the system works. Thus, the company must properly design and carry out integration of blockchain into its workflow.
Move to the second available technology, which is the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things (IoT) is an emerging paradigm that allows electrical gadgets and sensors to communicate over the Internet to make our life easier. The best thing about IoT is minimizing human effort. IoT devices can automate processes as they interact and communicate with one another, enhancing the quality of company services and lowering the demand for human interactions. By minimizing the amount of human work, it saves a lot of time. However, IoT development is costly and may be difficult to find the right team with the required expertise since the infrastructure has not kept up with the technology. As the IoT industry grows, IoT specialists are in great demand, but there are enough of them to go around. Typically, this leads in a rise in project expenses and the potential that the organizations may lack the necessary personnel to accomplish the task. Lastly, IoT sensors can only gather and transmit data if they have strong connections, which is not only the case. Connectivity may be significant issues, especially when devices are in distant locations.
Lastly, we have found that electronic data interchange (EDI) is also useful in providing GBS. It is a common electronic format that eliminates paper-based document, which includes purchase order or any invoices is the most basic definition of EDI. EDI will save time and money, improve efficiency and productivity, and avoid errors while transferring the data. EDI is useful for traceability reporting and helping to improve the relationship between business partners. Using EDI will set a minimum standard among trading partners. However, there are also challenges in EDI, which are the requirement to keep up with the changing governmental standards, law, and changes. Besides, they must consider the intricate nature of international business requirements. Additionally, when the business has started to be globalized, the company will have a complex B2B network. The transparency of EDI also will become a changes to the company. The company needs to interact and deliver the data electronically in real time to the business partners.
The challenge of Infineon Technologies right now is to merge and converge the multiple ERP systems into one system application and product. It's also known as SAP system. Thus, among these three emerging technologies, blockchain technologies is the most suitable approach to overcome the Infineon challenge. Blockchain networks are able to link several ERP systems and act as middleware and enhancing the ability to share information. Blockchain could serve as a layer that enhances the current ERP systems. The deployment will be conducted on the cloud with the integrated blockchain that is always keeping a local copy of the complete blockchain. As a result, the stakeholder could decentralize and distribute data from different ERP systems. The integration not only could merge and converge ERP systems, it boosts efficiency by permitting companies to have more control over their resources. It also helps to trace and monitor transactions quickly while keeping a high standard for access control requirements. The greater part is the foundation software system of blockchain is famous for its security and difficulty to alter. Of course, there are some huge successful cases regarding the integration of blockchain and ERP system. For example, Fins helps the process of integration with ERP system effortlessly by securing the data and centralizing the control of management, while Sky built a blockchain system that will interact with SAP Cloud Platform.
How can Infineon convince and influence its stakeholders to leverage the best practices for their organization and regions? Firstly, IFPG GFS can clearly define the objective and goals for implementing the ERP system. Therefore, the clients will be able to better understand and predict the outcome after using the ERP system. After that, IFPG GFS also can conduct adequate testing after implementing the ERP system. In other words, the company needs to carry out enough testing of the whole ERP system to ensure that the system can operate well and has no technical problems. Besides, IFPG GFS can provide proper training and education to use the ERP system. Basically, the employee that is properly trained can use the ERP system efficiently and avoid the time taken and human error. Finally, IFPG GFS also can provide a support system after the implementation of the ERP system. For example, the company can provide a help center for problem solving and provide a safety center for the safety, privacy, and security of the ERP system.
To uplift the GBS and fulfill the customization needs of the GBS client, Infineon Technologies could focus on integrating various ERP systems and leverage the best practices to convince the stakeholder and maintain their satisfaction while providing ERP system to them. Industrial Revolution 4.0 changes how the industry works and even how the world runs. With Infineon Technologies' vision, part of your life, part of your tomorrow, we believe Infineon Technologies never fear to follow the mega trend to steer the world into the future and continue to develop, grow, and create value for the stakeholders. Thank you for watching.